My experience with Guardian has been the fourth, I believe, of the jobs that I've received. So obviously, I've kept coming back. This time, I have been experiencing some flood in my backyard. I'm about to do a pretty big basement renovation. And so I wanted to make sure that my gutters were clean and my downspouts were extended out past the cement on my back property because the water kept pouring back down into the basement stairs. I'd also purchased some rain barrels, and I've always met Brent when they send somebody out to get the estimate, and he's always really nice, respectful, very straightforward. And then the contractor that they sent for the actual job was very communicative. They did end up arriving while he was already there, and so he completed the job. Later that evening, when I was off work, I realized that one of the ones that I needed extended wasn't. And so I reached out to the customer service line and immediately got some help that somebody would come back the next day and complete it, and it was done. I would highly recommend Guardian to family and friends, and in fact, I already have recommended them.